Are you gonna go with colorful, brightness, fun? You know
Less
what I mean?
is more over here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
What's
we
good?
have
What is
Michael
good?
in the house because
I'm always in the house.
Because today we are
building gingerbread. Get off! You're not my squad today.
I'm gonna.
Can we
beat
build a
Michael.
wall here? Can we build a wall
I'm going to
here?
beat Michael at a gingerbread house making challenge. I've never made a gingerbread house in my whole entire life, so
I might just start with building a wall right here, and then just keeping you on that side. And then...
okay, that's how it's gonna
Didn't we
be
talk
then.
about
Go
that?
away.
Didn't we talk
Get
about
here.
that?
Yeah, like putting something so
Nah,
he
we're not
can't
gonna.
see
It's
my
fair
side.
game. It's not even like that.
Yeah, but after you diss me. Anyways, so that is what we're going to be doing today. We are going to be making gingerbread houses. Like I said, I've literally never made a gingerbread house in my life. This is literally all new for me, so this is going to be very interesting. We also have some champurrado on deck and some pan dulce, and Michael got himself some churros, so that's what we're going to be working with today. And I'm pretty excited. Wait, did you set up my thing too? Oh, you did.
We're getting there, yeah. I got you.
So I guess Michael already set this stuff up. I don't even know how this works.
You just gotta push this down. It's the frosting.
Okay. Also, if you guys have not subscribed to our vlog channel, you guys should definitely do so. I'm gonna put a little thing up here so that way you guys can go ahead and go subscribe. But yeah. All right. So are you ready to go?
Are we ready to just jump in it, or is that what we're doing?
Yeah.
All right, my love. You
Your
sure?
champurrado's good.
Let's cheers for this.
Cheers.
You know, no soggy. You know, no soggy vibes. I
No
love
soggy
you.
vibes.
I love you either way, but
Team yes though.
we had a lot of team yeses
On our vlog channel.
and our vlog channel. A lot of team yeses. What?
Y'all know what's up. Y'all know what's up. Real recognize real. You know what I mean?
Ah,
All right,
who taught
so
you that word?
You taught me that. Okay.
But I'm here to prove you guys wrong. So.
All right, cool. So we actually got an extra house.
Should we
because
eat a
Michael
little bit?
is extra. Yeah.
Because.
That's good.
I know. That's why I bought it.
So.
The inside of it.
Oh, it has a filling. I didn't get a filling side.
Okay. So let's take these boxes off the table because we're gonna need as much room as possible.
Okay.
You gonna get
Are there
inspo?
instructions? Did you throw away the instructions?
There's no instructions.
Yeah, there are.
That was for the icing.
Are you serious? There's no instructions?
No, this is be creative. Like, how you know?
No, but how do you even make the, like, I've never
I don't
made a
know,
house.
boo. I don't know, boo. All I know is I'm focusing on my end here.
Alright, I don't know.
Okay, well.
I think Mike's being a little hater a little bit, but okay.
So we bought an extra, just in case, you know, we want to add some more decorations with the candy or...
The real reason we got it is because Michael's really extra and he wanted to do his
I was honestly thinking
stories.
about building it a 2-story, but we'll see if that still
Doing
works.
the most.
Don't trip.
Okay.
Don't even trip.
Okay.
Okay, don't look over here.
Are you sure?
And don't take
Michael, are you
forever.
sure there was no instructions?
There's no instructions.
Are you sure?
Don't trip. See, look at bam. This goes here. This goes here. And that's the basics.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay, I was doing it all wrong already. And then me. Okay.
So let's start by this. Come on. Bring your icing down from the top to the bottom.
Can you
and I've never really
just tell me the beginning because I literally have never done this before and I thought it came with instructions.
The last time I did this was like in 3rd grade, so.
Oh, to the top?
From right here, like boom.
Yeah, you would do that. Okay, so this is like the glue, right? I feel like it's not really sticking.
We need some music.
We can't do this copyright.
Darn you, copyright! Okay, so I'm gonna give you one tip. Put a lot of icing.
The hardest part is like having it stay together.
Okay. New plan. New plan, new
I'm
plan.
honestly gonna mess it up. Oh my god. If I was in kindergarten, I would literally be like, F this, I'm done.
Definitely got an F.
Dude.
You're doing alright. You're doing good.
It's not standing though.
We're at the same level.
Exactly. I don't want to be on your level right now. I want to be like finished. Damn.
Don't even trip!
Stop! I'm in a lot of stress right now.
Babe, no matter what happens, if I win or lose, don't even trip.
Stop! Oh my god! Stop!
I wouldn't let any little kid eat this because they're gonna be like, puro barbas everywhere.
Ew, why? Did you put babas on it?
No, but.
Yeah, right, I have a feeling you did.
No, I didn't.
Do 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 do. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Da 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 da.
Break.
Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
I need to quit eating my candy because I might waste my.
You're eating it?
Huh?
You're eating all the candy?
I don't remember. So let's do a time from now, right? Let's do a timing from now for another what? 15 minutes?
Yeah.
How much time do we got, baby?
11 minutes.
11 minutes left. This is supposed to be a brief, y'all. I'm trying to get it going. I'm not sure. No one, please eat this. No one.
Oh my god, these are so good.
No!
You've got 6 minutes. My knees hurt. Okay, let me turn mine around. I feel like it's kind of unfair that I haven't really like...
You haven't showed anybody the front? That's cute, babe. 5 minutes left, y'all. Baby, you're kind of getting down, dude.
Can I have some of these? Because you didn't really share those.
What?
You had to share those.
Who said?
We agreed.
That's not fair.
How is that not fair?
Because yours looks hella nice.
You think so?
Look at mine. I look like I'm up.
It does kind of look like throw up on this side. But I still love you.
Like a first grader did this. I'm way more creative than this, honestly.
Hey, not the red ones. My house is pretty simple.
Mine's like a bachelor pad, you know?
Yeah, mine
All
too.
things go.
Which is so crazy because I am the really messy one. Michael's not messy at all. Michael's actually like super anal.
Something happened.
So you would never think that that's your house. You would think that that's my house.
But no, mine's cute. The front's nice. It's all about presentation. Front presentation.
What about the top?
Hmm?
Like there looks like there was an explosion.
Santa like messed it up. He went up there and he just kind of jacked it up and took off. How'd you get it so smooth to come out like that?
I don't know. I just kind of like went like this and moved my whole body with it like this.
Well, let me put the chimney in.
Michael!
Don't trip.
Ew! Michael's chimney is not cute. Okay, well, I mean, I don't know. I think mine's pretty cute. Here, I'm gonna switch it up and add some of these greens before the time is over. Because broccoli. We're gonna present the house at the end. I hope you know this.
What?
We're gonna sell it to them. Time's up!
What?
That's good. That was a good one.
That's my chimney there.
That was a good one.
It's gonna fall.
That was a good one.
Well.
Okay. All right, guys. So yeah, that is it. Do you want to go ahead and present yours? We're gonna do it like you know when there's like competitions and
we can't move them too much. They might fall. Look at yours is caving in.
Mine is literally. Honestly. Mine had a flood or something.
So it's whatever gingerbread house stays together as well.
Okay, just because that's the only thing that yours has on mine, because yours looks like
Don't trip!
Oh my god!
Ah! Please!
I'm serious.
Okay.
Ah! Okay. Somebody calls the cops on me. Okay, so present your house. Sell them your home.
Okay, so I'm gonna sell you guys my home.
But kind of like,
can I wash up?
You know when we do, yeah, okay.
Time out.
We're gonna wash our hands. Okay, so it has to be like the competitions, like that final plate competition, you know, where you present it to the people who like are voting, because they're voting.
Okay, everybody, so I'm first. I'll be moving mine forward here. So as you can see, I decorated the front with lights. Those are lights. I put a nice little entryway, a doorway there. These are a fence.
What's the fence?
These little candies here.
The candies.
This is my wreath that I bought. It was pretty pricey and elegant, but that's the wreath there. These are also lights here. From if any planes get close, they know this is a home to back off. This is my chimney here. My roof, it's a little jacked up, but
what threw up on it?
Huh? The Grinch came and like threw up all over the place. He was drunk. He threw up all over my roof, but that is my home. Go ahead.
So, alright guys, so my house, I decided to just give it a little bit of like some red accentuation. Accentuation, I don't think that's a word. Okay, but we gave it some little gumball drops over here. We're really feeling the color red this season because obviously it's Christmas. So I went with like a red top roof thing. Just to really like give the roof kind of a little bit of a oomph, you know what I mean? We're kind of giving it like a little bit of a gumball. No, it's not a gumball. A gumdrop drum. I don't know what that candy's called, but you know what I'm saying. And then I did a little what is it called when you outline something like
frame?
A frame. Okay, so we kind of gave it a little bit of a candy cane frame here because also like we want to like snazz it up with a little bit of color. So that's what we did. And then right here, we just kind of gave it a little bit of another candy cane because I felt like the front door was looking a little bit plain. But we have our little wreath over here made by like baby candies. And then our house here is made by a little red and white
Show them the
candies.
Garage. Show them the garage you put on the side of your house. Let them see the garage.
Okay, wait. So for my home, I decided that simple, less is more. That's kind of the that's kind of what we were going for my home. And right here on the side, we actually have an entryway to our garage. And it just kind of goes in there. You know, it just kind of like, it's actually like, you know, like the Lambos, they kind of like open up. So right now it's caved a little bit in because it's going to come out. But for the side of my house, I decided to kind of go with a little bit of like a green and red candy. And so that's kind of what we're going for. We kind of went for a little crisscross Spidey, like Spider-Man action thing going on. So we've got that going on. Definitely meant to have it hanging a little bit to kind of give you that like icicle vibe almost, but it's actually like Spidey webs. As we did with the other side. And the back of my house is pretty plain. So yeah, so you know, for my home I decided to go with less is more. Alright, so I think, yeah, in order to vote, just comment down below whether you are Team Michael or Team Yes.
One vote, please.
Team Mike or Team Yes.
Chimney?
So are you going to go
Chimney?
with simple, you know, less is more?
Are you going to go with colorful, brightness, fun? You know
less
what I mean?
is more over here. Let us know down below.
Reef? Custom
I
reef?
have a reef too. Mine's custom also. Look it. Mine's like actually like there.
Mine's
Yours is kinda
mine's
like-
almost the size of my home. What do you guys? What would you guys prefer? So either way, my foundation is very solid. If you purchase my home today, you will get a solid home. Okay, you would be able to live in it more than a day. I promise you that. So
If you purchase my home, you're gonna get Lambo side doors. Okay.
let's see it go up. Demonstrate for us, please. Could you demonstrate for us? Alrighty, y'all. But on the real though, we appreciate you guys tuning in, and this was the gingerbread home that you guys asked for. So we timed it. If we could have been here all night, and I could have made it, you know, marvelous, but I didn't. But we were timed, and I felt
But
like
I made it marvelous.
yeah. But mine's cool. It's just
Your
this.
churro chimney's falling off, sir.
That was a lot.
I know, that was a lot. Like, you really smothered it. Like, he's not gonna be happy after this because you don't eat sweets like that, man.
I'm already hyped.
That was pretty daring of you. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please comment down below who you think won, Team Yes or Team Michael. Whose gingerbread house do you want to live in? Okay, let us know down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And yeah, love you guys so much. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our vlog channel, which will also be linked down below, because we are doing Vlogmas right now. Make sure that you guys do that. We love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you guys next time.